If you've ever shipped anything internationally, there's one number that decides how much tax you pay, how fast your goods clear customs, and even whether your shipment gets blocked. That number is the HS code. Today we are breaking down exactly what HS codes are, history of HS code, how they're created, real-world examples, types and challenges in HS code, and why they're the backbone of global shipping. Let's start. What is an HS code? The HS code, short for Harmonized Commodity Description and Coding System, is a globally standardized numerical classification of traded goods. It is developed and maintained by World Customs Organization (WCO), used by more than 200 countries, updated every 5 years. Structure: a 6-digit universal framework, expandable to 8 or 10 digits by countries. Definition: an HS code is a 6-digit standardized classification number used to identify a product type in international trade for customs, taxation, compliance, and statistical purposes. Simple example: HS code 8704.21. 87 equals vehicles. 04 equals motor vehicles for goods transport. 21 equals diesel engine truck, weight less than or equal to 5 tons. Every country recognizes the first 6 digits. Many add more digits for deeper national-level categorization. History and evolution of HS codes. Early need for standardization. Before HS codes existed, countries used their own classification systems such as Brussels Tariff Nomenclature, League of Nations Standard List, Customs Cooperation Council Nomenclature. These systems caused inconsistency in tariffs, trade records, and customs declarations. Creation of the HS system. 1983, the Harmonized System was adopted by the WCO Council. 1988, HS code officially entered into force. 1990s, 2000s, countries gradually replaced national systems with HS codes. Current relevance. Today the HS system covers over 98% of world trade, is used by customs logistics companies, freight forwarders, and import-export businesses. Has undergone updates in 1996, 2002, 2007, 2012, 2017, and 2022. These revisions address new technologies, digital products, chemicals, plastics, machinery, and environmental equipment. Structure of HS codes. HS codes follow a hierarchical pattern. Level. Digits. Purpose. Chapter. 2 digits. Broad sector classification. Heading. For digits. Product category. Subheading. 6 digits. Globally standardized detail. National tariff code. 8 to 10 digits. Country-specific duty and control. Structure example. HS code 6404.11. 64 equals footwear. 6404 equals footwear with textile uppers. 6404.11 equals sports footwear. 6404.11.0000 US equals national extension used in US Customs. Types of HS code classifications. HS codes are grouped into 21 sections and 99 chapters. Key types include A. Raw materials. Minerals, ores, Chapter 26. Wood, rubber, cotton, Chapters 44, 40, 52. B. Intermediate goods. Chemicals, plastics, metal parts, Chapters 28 to 39, 72 to 83. C. Finished goods. Electronics, machinery, furniture, vehicles, Chapters 84 to 94. D. Miscellaneous and special categories. Pharmaceutical products. Works of art. Precious stones. Medical devices. E. Dual use or controlled goods. Certain HS codes indicate items requiring licenses. Chemicals, e.g., for fertilizers or weapons. Telecommunications equipment. Military use items. These require compliance under WCO and national regulations. Why HS codes are important in international shipping. 1. Customs clearance. HS codes determine whether the product is allowed in the country. Documentation needed, e.g., COA, MSDS, phytosanitary certificate. 2. Import duties and taxes. Tariffs such as customs duty, anti-dumping duty, VAT/GST, excise duty, are all calculated based on HS codes. 3. Trade agreements. HS codes help determine whether goods qualify for preferential duties under USMCA, EU Free Trade Agreements, India, UAE SEPA, ASEAN agreements. Example, under an FTA, HS 6203.42, men's cotton trousers may be eligible for 0% duty if rules of origin are met. 4. Statistical tracking. Governments use HS data to track import-export volume, trade patterns, economic dependency, market competitiveness. 5. Compliance and risk management. HS codes help identify restricted products, safety compliance requirements, license or quota limitations, Incorrect HS coding can lead to penalties, shipment holds, overpaid duties, regulatory violations. How HS codes are used in international shipping step-by-step flow. 1. Product identification. Manufacturer/freight forwarder identifies the correct HS code. 2. Documentation. HS code appears on commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading, certificate of origin, customs declaration forms. 3. Customs assessment. Customs uses the code to apply tariffs, check restrictions, validate compliance, approve clearance. 4. Duty calculation. For example, if a U.S. importer brings HS 9503.00 toys and tariff rate equals 4.3%, the duty equals 4.3% times shipment value. 5. Release and delivery. Once cleared, the goods move to domestic distribution. HS codes. Example breakdown. Example 1. Smartphones. HS code 8517.12. 85 equals electrical machinery. 8517 equals telephone sets. 8517.12 equals mobile phones. Example 2. Steel coils. HS code 7208.38. 72 equals iron and steel. 7208 equals hot rolled products. 7208.38 equals steel coils, thickness less than 3 millimeters. Challenges in HS code classification. 1. Product complexity. Multifunctional goods, e.g. smart appliances, can fit into multiple categories. 2. Frequent revisions. Every 5 years, updates cause changes in duty structures. 3. Varying national tariff codes. Countries extend the 6-digit HS differently. 4. Ambiguity and interpretation. Two similar products may fall under different codes, affecting duty rates significantly. Common mistakes in HS code classification. Using generic codes instead of specific ones. Applying manufacturer's internal codes. Wrongly assuming two similar items share the same code. Copying HS codes from old shipments. Not checking updates in the HS nomenclature. These can lead to fines and supply chain delays. Conclusion. HS codes are the backbone of international shipping and global trade. Their importance extends across customs clearance, tariff calculation, global trade agreements, compliance, logistics planning, and statistical reporting. Understanding HS codes is essential for exporters and importers, logistics professionals, freight forwarders, procurement teams, supply chain planners, customs brokers. With accurate HS classifications, companies reduce risk, avoid penalties, and ensure smoother and more cost-efficient international logistics operations. That's it for today. If you found value in this video, hit like, subscribe, and join our membership. Thanks for watching.